It left a lot of residue. It was very yellow.
T'as vu? Papa est à Abidjan, papa est à New York City, St. James en France. C'est bon? C'est bon.
Hi guys, I hope you guys are doing wonderful today, and as you guys saw on the thumbnail, we're talking about the Creme of Nature Argan Oil Snot Gel. Guys, if you want to know what this is about, please do stay tuned, and the timestamp will be on screen per usual, as I will introduce myself in French briefly, and I'll see you guys very very soon. Voilà les amis, salut à tous, j'espère que vous allez très bien, et comme vous avez vu sur la photo de la vidéo, aujourd'hui on parle du nouveau gel, on parle du gel qui vient de la marque Creme of Nature, et c'est particulièrement le Flexible Styling Snot Gel. Il y a eu tellement de hype sur ce produit, mais je vais vous dire aujourd'hui que c'est un non. Je n'aime pas ce produit. C'est vrai que les ingrédients sont très bien, c'est bien pour ceux qui ont aussi les cheveux crépus ou naturels, mais franchement, je n'aime pas ce produit. J'ai essayé ce produit 2 fois. La couleur jaune que vous voyez là, vraiment, ça reste sur les cheveux et ça a l'impression d'être sale. C'est vrai que c'est très abordable, c'est très moins cher et je l'ai trouvé sur target.com. C'est vrai que ça marche pour certaines personnes et pour certains d'autres non. Moi, je dis non. 2 thumbs down. Ça a une odeur un peu bizarre, je n'aime pas trop l'odeur et donc l'application n'est pas propre, même comme c'est moins cher et c'est facile à avoir. Donc voilà, merci encore de toujours me supporter. Si vous avez eu à utiliser ce produit, je vous invite à faire des commentaires sous la barre d'infos, et si vous avez d'autres suggestions pour moi, comme toujours, tous les commentaires sur mon blog ou bien sous la barre d'infos, il y a tous les liens, et on se voit à la prochaine. N'oubliez pas de toujours prier le bon Dieu. Ciao les amis. Bye bye now. Alright my loves, thank you beauty queens and beauty kings for coming back, and like I said, we're talking today about this is a very popular product from Creme of Nature, and this is the Flexible Styling Knot one, and I got this from Target. I must say that this is very affordable. However, I would not repurchase it. I think it was like $5.49 I believe, so I'll put the price on screen if I can remember. I didn't like this product because first of all, I don't like the smell. I think the smell is a little bit strong. Secondly, I don't like the color of it. It's yellow, and when you do apply, I was concerned that it would leave a residue on the hair. It left a lot of residue. It was very yellow. I'm not sure if it's because I was using it wrong, but I really did not like the product, and I also don't like the consistency, so I wouldn't use it for that reason also, even though it's affordable, even though it has good ingredients. And believe it or not, it did work for a lot of people that I've seen here on YouTube and some others, so it all depends. You can still try it out if you would like, and do leave me your comments, but I didn't like the consistency, the smell, or the application, and the fact that this product left residue on the hair. So guys, I'm just gonna try to apply this. So that's the consistency right there. You see that it's yellow. It's not too thick, but it's thick enough. And then I'm just gonna swatch that right there, and I'm just gonna blend that so you guys can just see how it is, that yellowness. You see that? You can even see the yellow aspect of it on my hand. So that goes to show you that it's not something that would disappear. So there you have that. It's not sticky or anything like that. It seems to be moisturizing as well. It doesn't seem like it'll be drying, but the residue, oh, I did not like. But yeah, so that is that. Let me know your thoughts down below if you've tried this product before, and let me know what your experience was, or any other things that you've tried in the future. Please give me your suggestions, and I'll be so happy to hear from you in the comments down below. Don't forget, all products listed on my blog, and I'll see you guys next time. Don't forget to always praise God, and ciao guys, bye.
So when they put you to the test, just do your best and let God do the rest. And enemies stress, I'm a living witness, I'm the proof. Nothing is impossible, and that's the truth. You can achieve if you plan to. If I can make it, man, you can too.